take a holiday on the day when the teacher had to check homework of the kids. Mom, I have a stomach ache. I won't be able to go to school. Don't worry, Shiva. Better you take this today. Okay, Mom. And this brings on from many days, and suddenly one day, class teacher said to every child in class, "So students, tomorrow I check each one of your notebooks of English, Hindi and Math. So make sure you all bring your notebooks with you. Is it understood?" See that now Shiva's notebook is complete. He said to everyone, he said to Shiva in the evening. Hi Shiva. Hi Auntie.
Hi Shiva, how was the day?
My day was good. What about you?
I am also good. Do you know, teacher has said that the notebooks of Hindi, English and Math will be checked by teacher tomorrow.
I knew that, and that's why I'm not coming to school tomorrow. Ha 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 ha. And as usual, the very next day, Shiva started lying about the pain in his stomach. Mom, my stomach is aching very badly today. What? Today again? What can we do now? You better don't go to school and take rest. Okay, Mom. C4. And like that, Shiva got this much required holiday from his school. One by one, teacher was checking notebooks of each and every kid. Then a glance at her watch on the wrist reminded teacher that school time is about to get over. And then she said, everyone,
Children, school time is about to get over. So those who have not submitted their notebooks, please bring it tomorrow for checking.
after coming from the school, Ankit met Shiva and told everything to Shiva. Hi Ankit,
Hi Shiva,
how are you?
I am fine. What's about you?
I'm also good.
Teacher has said that the notebooks of those who have maths will be checked by teacher tomorrow.
Is that so? I won't be coming tomorrow too. Ha ha ha. Scene 7. Next day too, while checking the notebooks, it was about for school time.
Notebooks of those friends who left to check will be checked tomorrow.
This time also Ankit told Shivan what teacher said today.
What about you?
I'm also good.
Today what was yesterday happened. Teacher has said that the notebook of those who are left will be checked by teacher tomorrow.
That's great. It means I got one more holiday. Ha ha ha. Like this, 3 more days passed by. Teacher checked notebook by making one excuse of the other 2 holidays, one after another. On 6th day, when he tried to make another holiday, his mother did not listen to him and said to
absent. And I'm warning you, I will not tolerate any excuses.
After getting scolding from his teacher, Shivam understood that somehow or other he has to complete his notebooks. Now he said to his friend Ankit,
Give me a notebook of all his subjects. But why? What you will do with my notebooks? Teacher has said to complete your notebooks, not mine. I know very well but my notebooks are incomplete. Therefore, with the help of your I can complete my notebooks too. But what do you need to do this for? You can also remain absent tomorrow. No, I think I can't delay this matter further. I have to complete this work now. But how will you complete your notebook by tomorrow morning? I don't know, but I have to complete now.
Shivam. He reached his home stage away. He went to his room and started to doing his homework. Throughout the day, he kept on working, and by the morning, the notebooks, all the three subjects, he felt relieved completing his work.
Finally, I have completed my work.
Next day, he went to school as soon as
Here and show me your notebooks. I need to check them.
Shivam went to his teacher with his notebooks. Due to waiting up entire night, he was very tired. His eyes had become red too.
Shivam, I know you stayed up all night, complete your work, and because of tiredness, your eyes are turned into red. That is why this is exactly that we say we should complete our work on time. So we should not